Dear students, in the previous session we learnt what is the general form of a polynomial, and we classified polynomial based on the degrees are linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. In this session our topic is value of a polynomial. How to find the value of a polynomial by substituting or replacing the variables in the polynomial. Let us consider x is equal to 1. P of x is a polynomial, it is a cubic polynomial in one variable x. If you substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial, we can write p of x as p of 1. P of 1, which means x is equal to 1, replace the variables in the polynomial by substituting the value x is equal to 1. 5 into x is equal to 1, so x cube equal to 1 cube, minus 2 into x is equal to 1, x square is equal to 1 square, plus 3 into x is equal to 1 minus 2. Simplify, 1 cube equal to 1, 1 into 5 is equal to 5. 1 square is equal to 1, 1 into, that is plus 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Plus 1 into plus 3 and minus 2. Further simplify is equal to 5 minus 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 6 minus 2 plus 4. 4 is the answer or solution. So we say that p of x is a polynomial and 4 is the value at x is equal to 1. Next, check for x is equal to 0 and substitute x is equal to 0. We can write p of 0, x is equal to 0 is equal to 5 into x is equal to 0, substitute 0 and its cube, minus 2 into 0 power 2 plus 3 into 0 and minus 2. Simplify, 0 into any number 0, 0 into any number 0, 0 into any number 0, minus 2 is the answer. So we say that the value of p of x at x is equal to 0 is minus 2. Next example, p of y is equal to y square minus y plus 1. The polynomial y square minus y plus 1 is a quadratic polynomial because the power of the variable in this polynomial is y and its power is 2, or degree is 2, so it is called a quadratic polynomial. Let us find the different values by substituting y is equal to 0, 1, minus 1. Let us check for y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0, it means p of 0. Y is equal to 0, or we call p of y as p of 0. Substitute y is equal to 0, 0 square and y is equal to 0 plus 1. 0 square 0, 0 and plus 1, 1 is the answer. So we say that the value of p of y at y is equal to 0 is 1. Let us find P of 1. P of 1 is equal to, substitute 1 in place of y, we get y square equal to 1 square minus y is equal to 1 and plus 1. Simplify, y 1 square equal to 1 minus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 0 and the answer is 1. Here also the value of P of y is equal to 1 at y is equal to 1. Next, second problem, P of x is equal to x minus 1. The polynomial x minus 1 is a linear polynomial in one variable, that is a x, because the degree is 1. Let us check for P of 0, which means x is equal to 0 and the value of P of 0 is 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Next, what is the value of P of 1? X is equal to 1 and we need to find the value of P of 1. P of 1 is equal to, x is equal to 1, substitute 1, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So, 0 is the value of P of x at x is equal to 1. Note the answer, P of 1 is equal to 0, and go for next question or next example. Q of y is equal to x minus 2. X minus 2 is a polynomial which is a linear polynomial in one variable x. And find Q of 1. What is Q of 1? Yes, we need to substitute x is equal to 1 in this polynomial. We get 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. And next, let us find Q of 2. Y equal to 2, substitute 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 0 is the answer or the solution of the polynomial Q of y at y is equal to 2. Students, observe the answers. 0 and here 0. If you substitute y is equal to 2 in this polynomial, we get 0 as the answer. If you substitute 1 in this polynomial, we get 0 is the answer. So, 2 is called 0 of the polynomial Q of y, and here 1 is called 0 of the polynomial P of x. So, what do you mean by 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial is that value in which the polynomial becomes 0. Once again, 0 of the polynomial is that value in which the polynomial becomes 0. In this examples, 1 is the 0 of the polynomial P of x, 2 is the 0 of the polynomial Q of y. Next question, find the 0 of a polynomial Q of y is equal to y plus 1. Students, Q of y is equal to y plus 1. The polynomial y plus 1 is a linear polynomial in one variable, that is y. We need to find the 0 of a polynomial. How to find the 0 of a polynomial y plus 1? Yes, as you know, that is trial and error method. What is trial and error method? Yes, by substituting some values, if you get the 0, then we call the what value are we substituted in the polynomial is called 0 of the polynomial. Let us consider y is equal to 0. q of 0 is equal to 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Answer is not equal to 0. So we cannot say 0 is the 0 of a polynomial. Next, y is equal to minus 1. Q of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1. What is minus 1 plus 1? Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. We got 0 as the answer. So we call, or we can say, minus 1 is the 0 of a polynomial y plus 1. Next problem, find the 0 of a polynomial p of t is equal to 3t minus 4. 3t minus 4 is a polynomial in which the variable is t and it is a linear polynomial. We need to find the 0 of this polynomial p of t. How can we do it? There are two methods to find the 0 of this polynomial. One method is by trial and error method. But now the trial and error method, it is time consuming and it will take lot of time to reach the correct answer. So we are selected, or we need to have a better method to find the 0 of this polynomial. What is the polynomial? Polynomial p of t is equal to 3t minus 4. What is 0 of the polynomial? 0 of the polynomial is the value in which polynomial becomes 0. Polynomial becomes 0, or such that p of t is equal to 0. P of t is equal to 3t minus 4 is equal to 0. P of t is equal to 3t minus 4. Solve 3t minus 4. Bring minus 4 to the right hand side. It becomes positive. So what is t? T is equal to 4 by 3. T is equal to 4 by 3. If you substitute 4 by 3 in this polynomial, or by replacing t as 4 by 3, we get, or the polynomial p of t becomes 0. So we can say 4 by 3 is the 0 of this polynomial. Can you find the 0 of this polynomial minus 7x? Yes. What is 0? Yes, 0 of the polynomial is that value in which polynomial becomes 0. So value x such that q of x is equal to 0. What is q of x? Q of x is minus 7x is equal to 0. Simplify, x is equal to 0 by minus 7, x is equal to 0. So we can say 0 is the 0 of the polynomial q of x. Next, we know constant polynomial. All the constants are called constant polynomial. For example, 6 is the constant now in this example. Can you find the 0 of the polynomial 6? Let us consider p of x is equal to c. What is c? C is the constant. So, p of x is equal to 6 can be written as 6 into x power 0. If you substitute or if you replace x by any number, it may be 0, 1 power 0, 2 power 0, 3 power 0, any number, it still gives us 6, constant 6. It means that the constant polynomial 6 or any constant polynomial, it has a no zero. In fact, a non-zero constant polynomial has no zero, or p of x is equal to 6. 0 of the polynomial is that value in which the polynomial becomes 0. So we need to show polynomial p of x is equal to 0. Is possible to show 6 is equal to 0? It is impossible. 6 is not equal to 0. It means that a constant polynomial has a no zero. Is the statement. And one more, we have to find the 0 of 0 polynomial. What is 0 of a 0 polynomial? 0 can be written as 0 into x power anything, 0 into 1 power n, or 0 into 3 by 2 power n, or 0 into minus 2 power n. Whatever we can take in place of x, we get 0 into x power n or 0. It means every real number are the zeros of a 0 polynomial. So, constant polynomial 6, it has no 0, and every real number are called 0 of a 0 polynomial. Okay students, in this class we are discussed value of a polynomial and zeros of a polynomial, and will continue in the next class.